Hi everyone, welcome to Skillset Studio. I'm Sylvia, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple Excel sheets and files into one large Excel file using Power Query Editor. Let's say you have several Excel files, each containing multiple sheets with the same structure, like identical column names. For some reason, you need to combine all of these sheets into a single Excel sheet. When you are working just a few sheets and files, it's easy enough to copy and paste the data into one sheet. But what if you have many files and many sheets? Copying and pasting can quickly become time-consuming and inefficient. There are several ways to streamline this process, but today I'm going to show you how Power Query editors can make combining all these sheets into one easy and automated task. What is Power Query Editor? Power Query Editor is a tool in Excel and Power BI that allows you to connect, transform, and clean your data before it's loaded into your workbook. Power Query makes it easy to automate tasks, like combining data from multiple files or sheets, cleaning up messy data, and transforming it into a usable format. And the best part, it doesn't alter your original data, so you can easily manage and update your report without worry. Now, let me show you how this works with an example.
In this example folder, I have two Excel files, example 1 and example 2. Let's first take a look at example 1. It contains 3 sheets. Sheet 1 has the following columns: employee name, hours, amount, date, and rate. Sheet 2 also has the same columns. Sheet 3 follows the same structure as well. Each sheet contains different row information, but the column names remain the same across all sheets. Now let's close example 1 and open example 2. Example 2 also has 3 sheets, and like example 1, each sheet contains the same column names: employee name, hours, amount, date, and rate. Now I want to combine all the sheets from both example 1 and example 2 into one big Excel file. Here's how we are going to do that. First, I will open a blank Excel workbook. Go to the Data tab and click on Get Data. Hover over From File and then click on From Folder. Navigate to the location of the example folder I just showed you. Select the folder and click Open. In the pop-up window, you will see the two Excel files, example 1 and example 2, are loaded. Next, click on Transform Data. This will open the Power Query Editor. In the Power Query Editor, you will see only the two Excel files, example 1 and example 2, but the sheets inside each file are not visible yet. To make the sheets appear, follow the steps. First, click on Add Column, then select Custom Column. Name the new column. Let's call it Sheet. In the Custom Column formula field, type Excel.workbook, open parentheses, content, close parentheses. This function is used to load the contents of an Excel file into Power Query. Then click OK. Now you will see a new column called Sheets. click the expand icon next to this column and select Name and Data. Then click OK. Now, the sheets from each file will appear here. Next, click the expand icon on the right side of the data column. Make sure all columns are selected. Then click OK. You should now see all the data from each sheet in both files combined. Now let's clean things up a bit. I am going to rename the columns label sheets.data.column to match the original column names from the Excel file. To do this, I will right-click on each column name, select Rename, and type in the proper column names. For example, I will rename the first column to Employee Name, then press Enter. I will repeat this for the rest of the columns. Now, we need to remove any rows containing the column names from each sheet. To do this, simply click the drop-down arrow next to Employee Name and uncheck Employee Name. This will filter out the rows with column headers. Once that is done, go to the Home tab and click on Close and Load. The data will load into a blank sheet. At this point, you will notice that columns A to G are unnecessary. So I will delete columns A to G, as I only want columns H to L. Now I will finish up by doing some basic formatting. Reposition the cells so they start from left to right. Change the amount and rate columns to a currency format. Change the date columns to a short date format. And there you have it. This is the final result, with all the sheets from example 1 and example 2 combined into one Excel file. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the Skillset Studio channel. I will be sharing more tips and tricks in future videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.